The single most valuable skill you can have today is master ChatGPT. In just 3 minutes, I'll show you the one trick executives use to master AI fast, even if they have no experience. The trick is to speak your prompts instead of typing them. This makes it easier for beginners to get started, and it takes experienced prompters to the next level. Now, if you're on Windows, just press the Windows key and the letter H at the same time to activate voice typing. You can tell that everything that I'm saying appears magically in the prompt box. Now, this is awesome. We can now have a full-on conversation with AI. Now, there's nothing to download, by the way. This comes standard with Windows and Mac. If you're on Mac, there should be a little microphone button in the top bar that should activate this. You can literally type this into any AI or any document for that matter. Now, here's a creative way for anyone to use ChatGPT for decision making. I'm going to use the new O1 model that just came out today. So here's the prompt I'm going to say. You're a marketing strategy expert with 20 years of experience. We just launched a new AI training workshop for managers and executives. Now, we want to try something new to get leads. We're debating whether we should focus on LinkedIn ads, cold outreach, or influencer marketing. Could you put these in a table to help me visualize the solution? Add some categories so I can weigh out these options. And add key takeaways at the bottom too, please. I'll send that through, and you can tell that the new model is thinking. So now I have a table and some key takeaways. There's a bit much on this table though, so here's what I'll say next. Now remove measurability, brand perception, scalability, conversion rate. Now, could you also add some numbers to the ones that remain, like 1 through 5? That way it's easier for me to get a visual. Well, there we go. That's much nicer to look at. It also becomes much easier for us to make the best decision possible. For example, I value speed, targeting, and measurable results. And if I look at the chart here, I can tell that LinkedIn ads are excellent in targeting, they have high reach, and they're fast to implement. So it's a no-brainer for me. Plus, my target audience tends to be on LinkedIn all the time, so this is on point. Now, there are 3 benefits to making decisions with a table like this. First, we can consider solutions we might have missed without AI. Second, we can make better decisions faster. And third, we reduce decision fatigue. And the example I just showed can be used for almost anything. Deciding who to hire next, planning product launches, streamlining operations, forecasting revenue, outlining presentations. Our creativity is the only limiting factor here. Now, to help with creativity, I'd like to show you one more AI trick executives are using right now. They use AI to fill out documents for them. Let's say we just had a long Zoom meeting and we want to send short meeting notes to the team. All we have to do is upload the transcript of the meeting and upload a template to be filled out. Here's how to do this. Now, you'll need to switch to GPT-4o since we can't upload files with the new model yet. But let's start with the prompt. I'm going to hold Windows and H. I need you to analyze these meeting notes carefully. Then, use the meeting notes to fill out the template PDF I provided. Make sure to keep all relevant information and keep it concise. That's it for the prompt. Now I can upload the documents I need. We just need to click on the paperclip, upload from the computer, and I can go long meeting notes, and I'll hold shift and hold meeting notes template. That way it grabs both. Then I'll hit open, and there we go. Both of these are uploaded. I'll send this through. As you can see, ChatGPT took the transcript from one of our AI training sessions, and it filled out the meeting notes for us. Now this normally takes about an hour, and we did this in less than 30 seconds. Now remember, this is designed to get us closer to a final draft, not to create perfect documents. I may need to add a few details it missed, but it still saved me valuable time, and it saved me a ton of mental energy. Now, I use meeting notes here, but you can use this for anything that can be templatized. Performance reviews, presentation outlines, emails, financial summaries, project plans, client proposals, inventory reports. The list goes on. By the way, my name's Florian. I'm the founder of Workly.AI, and our mission is simple: to help hardworking individuals make AI as useful as possible, which is an important thing for everyone to learn right now. Now, we're at a pivotal moment where we all get to shape how AI impacts the world. And I believe it's up to all of us to figure out how to use this for good. So if you found this video insightful, feel free to share it with your team, colleagues, or friends. It could help someone out. And if you're an executive or a manager who's ready to take AI to the next level, you can find my contact information in the description below. And as always, happy prompting.